Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Maya. Well, in this video, which is the next one in our Maritime series, we're going to be looking at twisted rope, because when you think about boats, you think about ropes, right? Now, until 2022 in Maya, you had to extrude faces along curves and whatnot. But with the introduction of sweep mesh, it became much easier. And I'm going to show you how sweep mesh works in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a curve to start with. So we're going to go to create, we're going to go to curve tool, CV curve tool, and we're just going to create a random path for our rope. Okay, hit enter. Now, let's say that's going to be our rope. Now, what you do next is make sure you got it selected. Then we're going to go to create and we're going to go to sweep mesh and click on it. And as soon as you do that, you get by default this line up here. That looks nothing like a rope, so we're going to change that. Now, our attribute editor automatically opens, and in the sweep mesh creator 1, we can set all our settings. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go up to the top here. And we're going to look at this setup. It says 8 sides. So this is 8-sided right here. We're going to smooth this anyway, so there's no need to make that higher. You can set up a cap, but be aware when you smooth this out, these will be tapered. So I'm going to leave this off so we can address that later if we like. What's essential to do though is look at the distribution. We only have one strand of rope and we want twisted rope. So I'm going to click on this and we're going to select 4 entities, if you will. Now 4, but there's a spacing in between. So if I twist this, I'll have a spacing in my rope as well. So we're going to look at the scale instances and we're going to increase that to 0.8. So they're pretty much touching, right? Cool. We got that. And next up, we need to make sure that it's twisted. Now, under the transformation tab, you see that you have the option to put in a twist. Let's do 2, right? And immediately you see something like this. It looks a bit clunky because it's not smoothed out. But if you select this and you hit 3 to preview smooth, you'll get something looking like this, okay? Now, this is very loosely woven rope. So let's hit 1 to go back. We're going to go to our creator tab again, and we're going to look at the number in the twist setting here, right? 2 is not much. So let's go to, let's say, 6. Now you see all these things sticking out, right? But no worries, if you go to smooth select, preview smooth, you'll get something looking like this. And this looks a lot more like rope that has been twisted, right? So there you go. That's how easy it is to create twisted rope. Now be aware that there are tons of settings you can play with in here. And I did a complete video on sweep mesh as well. But if you want to have a section of twisted rope, this is how you can do it, right? That's it for this short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.